Let's move deeper into the second point, because this is where many people unknowingly sabotage their own manifestations. You can have the clearest vision, the strongest affirmations, and even the sharpest focus. But if the subconscious mind is not on board with your intention, then what you're trying to manifest feels like pushing against a hidden current. The subconscious is not some abstract concept. It is the foundation of your identity, the storehouse of your beliefs, habits, and emotional patterns. It operates silently beneath awareness, yet it influences 95% of your behavior and decision-making. So the question becomes, how can you expect to manifest abundance, love, or health if deep inside, your subconscious is holding on to beliefs of scarcity, unworthiness, or fear? Consider this. The conscious mind can say, "I am wealthy," but if the subconscious holds a memory of financial struggle, or a belief inherited from childhood that money is hard to earn, then your manifestation energy becomes conflicted. You send mixed signals, one of desire and one of resistance. The universe does not respond to what you say you want. It responds to the vibration of what you truly believe. And belief lives in the subconscious. This is why mind control meditation becomes such a powerful tool, because it allows you to bridge the gap between conscious intention and subconscious programming. When the mind enters meditative states, particularly alpha and theta brainwave patterns, you gain access to the subconscious. This is the same state we naturally pass through right before sleep or just as we re-waking. In these moments, the subconscious is impressionable, open to suggestion, and able to rewire itself. With practice, meditation gives you deliberate access to this gateway. Think of the subconscious like fertile soil. Whatever seeds you plant there, through repetition, emotion, and imagery, will eventually grow into your lived reality. But many people unknowingly plant weeds, seeds of doubt, fear, unworthiness. Then they wonder why their manifestations don't blossom. Mind control meditation is about taking back the role of gardener, choosing deliberately what gets planted. By pairing focused intention with deeply felt emotion in meditation, you bypass the critical gate of the conscious mind and deliver new, empowering beliefs directly into the subconscious. For example, if someone carries a subconscious belief of not being good enough, their outer world will mirror that: failed relationships, missed opportunities, self-sabotage. But in meditation, when they visualize themselves already embodying worthiness, already living with love and respect, and they allow the body to feel the joy of it, the subconscious cannot distinguish between imagination and reality. It accepts the emotional experience as truth. Over time, this repetition carves a new neural pathway, replacing the old programming. Eventually, "I am unworthy" dissolves, and "I am deserving of love and abundance" becomes the new default state. Psychologically, this process can be understood through neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change its wiring. Every belief is nothing more than a network of neurons firing together in a pattern. The more you repeat a thought with emotion, the stronger that network becomes. By using meditation to repetitively affirm and feel a new reality, you are literally building a new neural structure in the brain. This is why reprogramming is not just spiritual philosophy, it is neuroscience in action. Philosophically, this reprogramming speaks to a timeless truth, that we are not bound by the stories of our past. Most subconscious beliefs were not chosen, they were inherited from parents, culture, society, and experiences we had no control over. Yet through conscious practice, we can unlearn these limitations and create ourselves anew. Meditation becomes the tool of liberation, giving you authorship over the narrative that governs your life. But let's be clear, this isn't about overnight transformation. The subconscious doesn't shift because of a single session. It shifts through consistent, deliberate practice. Each time you enter meditation and align your inner world with the vision you want, you're training your subconscious to accept that reality as normal. The more normal it feels, the less resistance there is. And when resistance fades, manifestation becomes effortless. So the real power is not in trying harder or chasing your goals with force. It is in training your subconscious to believe, without question, that what you desire is already true. When conscious intention and subconscious belief finally align, manifestation accelerates in ways that feel miraculous, yet they are simply the natural outcome of inner congruence. Your subconscious is not your enemy. It is your most powerful ally once you learn to guide it. Reprogram it with intention, feed it with vision and emotion, and it will become the silent architect of the reality you've been waiting to experience.